we find that a lot of wastage can be reduced by actually launching the right product that the market needs. A lot of time the wastage comes in from having a perceived concept which someone has experienced or seen somewhere, but when they bring down to the market, the consumer has zero interest in trying, experimenting, or using that profile. So for us, research and development, it takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, energy. We see patterns, we talk to the consumer, be it in the hotel industry or in the food service industry. We talk to them, we understand what they require. We bring in the product in the best possible and the most cost-effective manner, launch it, and then build on the volume based on that, and then explore it with the other clients as possible as well. This is a tried and tested profile that we have been doing last 10, 15 years. We start off small, we experiment with products, we bring in innovative food concepts as well as non-food concepts, because UAE or the region where we are today is ever evolving, ever changing. So what we bring in today might not be needed tomorrow. So we like to keep up with the trends, but yet be very, very careful with what we bring in to avoid wastage at all points. And the medium you bring in, be it by air, road, or sea, you have to make sure that you have enough systems, enough structure, the right people, the right mentality in place, and act as a responsible supplier. We have also tied up with the Red Crescent Society. We work closely with the food bank, with all the consumers. We encourage them to make sure that the ordering process is optimal so that there is zero wastage.